This $4 penny stock is the best penny stock to be buying right now. Now, in today's video, the too long didn't watch version is going to be on ticker NAMM, ticker NAMM at approximately $4 per share. Now, I'm going to be telling you guys exactly where to get in, where to get out. I'm going to be talking about the news, why this catalyst is so strong. We're going to be talking about some stock analysis and much more. So, without further ado, hit the thumbs up button and now let's get down to business. So, ticker NAMM at approximately the $4 levels is a very, very good opportunity when it comes to next week. Now, what I anticipate for this ticker is nothing major. It's something like a 10 to 20% gains, give or take, right? And I think that so many times when it comes to penny stock trading, people are a little bit too over eager to go ahead and have these massive gains. But I'll tell you guys right now, one of the things that has turned me profitable over the past freaking 8 years of trading. Well, I've only been profitable the last 5 years. The first 3 years, let's not talk about it. But the last 5 years have been consistently profitable. The number one thing that has helped me become profitable has been understanding the power of small gains, right? Has been understanding that it's a lot easier to get 10 different stocks to give you 10% each than one stock to go ahead and give you 100%, right? And that these little small gains, right, over time they end up accumulating. Not only do they build up your confidence, but they also build up your portfolio, right? Without you seeing it, all of a sudden you wake up and wow, your portfolio is up 20% in a month, 30% in a month, right? The problem is that a lot of you guys right now are starting on a back foot. You're already red, and you believe that you're going to get out of this red the same way that you got yourself into the red right now, which is going to be fast, sporadic gains. But remember, moving fast, trying to speed run the stock market is what led you to be in the position you're in now, which is massive red, right? So what you don't want to be doing is you don't want to be rushing again. Right now, you're in quicksand. I always tell people, I say, if your portfolio is red, maybe you're down $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, you are in quicksand. The faster you try to move, only the more you're going to sink. You're going to sink. That's all that's going to happen, right? The last thing you want to be doing is you want to be making sporadic decisions and moving left and moving right and jumping up and jumping down, right and left and right. Now, the reality is that this trade right here is a very, very good opportunity, and I believe it's a lock. I think it's a lock, okay? If you ask me, I think it's a lock. Now, with that said, let's get breaking down exactly why so. So first of all, today the company ran all the way from the freaking $4 levels to $10.20, okay? Now it's back all the way down to the $4 levels again. So clearly, it's got quite the range of upside, all right? Now, with that said, right, let's talk about exactly what happened to NAMM Minerals. So, NAMM Minerals, an American company which does operate out of Africa, right, is a African gold producer, right? And the stock went absolutely crazy after they debuted on the NASDAQ, and they also provided a corporate update, right? So the company came out and they said that they completed their how much approximately generated $86 million in revenue in 2024, right? The company is planning an expansion of this fully operational underground gold mine contingent on securing sufficient funding. The gold producer is also advancing restart plans for its Mazoe and Red Wing mines in Zimbabwe, with dewatering at Red Wing expected to begin this fiscal year and infrastructure updates continue. So a lot of big moves here, guys, right? A lot of big moves. So this is good news, right? This is very good news. First of all, we have right off the bat the NASDAQ listing, right? The NASDAQ listing is probably what gave the stock the majority of its hype, right? When a company starts listing on the NASDAQ and they come in from the OTC markets, I mean, this makes them the golden child of the OTC, right? I mean, this gives them a lot of pressure. Now, the reality is that even though a lot of people went ahead and maybe they sold their shares up here, but these are the same people that were buying at $3.60, right? I mean, look, this is a ticker that was trading at freaking, $6 not a long time ago, right? And now that it's gone ahead and it's entered the NASDAQ, it's as if it's gotten even more hurt. But the problem is that all you're seeing over here is that a lot of shorting, and all you're seeing here is a lot of selling pressure, right? Now, could the company be diluting? Let's talk about that as well, right? This is the most important part, right? Unfortunately, this is a company which does have very, very poor financials, right? The company right now has negative $48 million in funds. That's right. The cash and cash equivalents are sitting at negative 48 million. That means if there was something that was free, NAMM could not afford it. Okay, they would have to be like, nope, I can't do this. All right, that's what we're dealing with here. That's what we're dealing with here. All right, so this is why I'm so eager to say, hey, listen, let this be a day trade. Get in fast, get out faster. Okay, don't hold for long. Don't freaking try to freaking hold on to shares, and because what's gonna usually happen is that these companies they're gonna announce dilution. They're gonna have to announce dilution. I mean, they're broke. they're literally broke. They're gonna announce dilution, so it's better as a day trade. Jump in, jump out. That's it. You don't want to be holding this for too long. Okay. Now, next thing we want to look at is going to be the dilution history. Historically, they haven't diluted much, and right now their oversupply is not too big, but they could go ahead and increase this, right? Now, when it comes to a market cap, right, the company does have a market cap of over 230 million, making it not the most volatile, which is actually good. This is actually good because at the end of the day, right, volatility is a double-edged sword, and just as fast as things go up, just as fast as they can come down when it comes to a stock that is extremely, extremely volatile. Okay, so there's that. Now, with that said, I'm bullish. I'm bullish at the $4 levels. Okay, I'm bullish at the $4 levels when it comes to NAMM, and I think that next week it's going to give us a massive, massive pump. Now, if you guys want to know exactly what my exit looks like, do check out our Discord, guys. Our Discord gives you access to all my day trade alerts, all my swing alerts, all my option alerts, and right now it is on a 50% sale for the next 10 members that join. Right now, the next 10 members that join the Discord get access to it for a 50% sale. It comes with a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. My friends, we have day trade alerts, swing alerts, options, lessons, one-on-one access, you name it, we got it. We already have over 400 members coming back month after month after month. Why are they coming back? They're coming back because they are making money. That's it. It's really that simple. Go on the website if you can afford it. Check it out. If you can't afford it, don't check it out. It's fine. I still offer a lot of value on YouTube. Just hit that subscribe button, okay? But literally today, thank you, Sean. Your alert was 100, right? So that was optional. Today we made a killing on this, right? My mom brought in $5,000. David, just another day in Top Short Academy, says Granny Slayer $92. And yeah, we've been killing it, man. We've been absolute 50K yesterday for Sean, literally with the same freaking message. Gotta love it, right? Granny Slayer yesterday, he brought in approximately a couple percent, like $100. And yeah, we've been killing it, man. We've been out XBP yesterday. We made a killing on XBP, SNGX. Also, we traded SNGX. So we give you guys exact entries, exact exits. Every single thing is done for you. All you have to do is be able to press the buy button and press the sell button. That's it. That's all you got to do. Can you do that? If you can do that, then you can join and you can make a lot of money with us, okay? Now, with that said, remember, I can always be wrong, right? I'm far from perfect. I only have an 80% win rate. 80% win rate means that 20% of the time I'm wrong. 20% of the time I'm wrong. That means out of the 250 trading days, my friends, there are 50 days that I'm losing money. 50 freaking days of me losing money, non-stop, just day in, day out losing money. It's real. It's real, right? Those are real numbers. That means I think it's going to go up, it goes down. I think it's going to go down, it goes up. 50 days. And you know what? A lot of you guys think that you can lose. You think that losing is the end-all be-all of trading, and if you took one L, it's over for you. Your career's done. You should stop trading. No, losing is part of trading. And let me tell you something. This is like 500 trades later. Okay? Like, you know what your favorite mentor does? This is what your favorite mentor does. He goes, 90% win rate, baby. 90% win rate. It's like, nice, bro. You got a 90% win rate 10% of the time. Here's a cookie. Right? But that's not how we roll here. Okay? That's not how we roll. I'm willing to show you all my trades. Okay? Anyways, give it a shot. The link is in the comment section in the description. I look forward to meeting you guys in there. And, we have 400 people. Majority of them are paying full price. Right now, you get to check it out for half price. That's it. Remember, don't give up, don't quit. Because 90% of traders are not unprofitable. 90% of traders just quit before they become profitable. I believe in you. Believe in yourself. Thank you for watching. Your boy, Sam.